Hey, welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on this 2012 Volkswagen Passat. And as you can see, the tail light's busted. So let's fix it. Now no tools are needed to do this. First we pop the trunk. Then we remove this cover and unscrew this plastic screw. Once the screw is out, then you pull the tail light out a little bit. You have to pull this red clip up. Then you can press the black tab and pull the connector out. Back over on the workbench, I have a pad for the tail light so I don't scratch it. You have to pull back these 4 tabs to remove this cover. We have to put a bulb in. As you can see where the bulb goes, there's 2 slots, and this is where the dimples on the bulb go. You push the bulb in and turn it slightly to the right. Once the bulb's in, then we click the cover back on and we head back over to the car. Now everything is just in reverse order. Put the tail light up to the housing, push in the black connector, push in the red clip, push the tail light in the rest of the way, and screw on the plastic screw. You want to be careful with this screw, it doesn't need to be that tight. Put the cover back on, and now we do some testing. First the turn signals, the tail lights, and the brake lights. Everything's working great. This one's fixed. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.